What are these women about? Are they on, where are they on? Oh, mature women! Ooh. Oh, I'm the old ones. Well, the other women out there on the internet. What site is this on? What site is this called then?
It's Google.
Did you put naked mature, have you? You put naked mature, have you? Someone's laying down and I'm there, on top, yeah?
Yeah.
My body's close. I've got all my length in my legs, yeah, but my body's same as somebody about 5'10", yeah?
Yeah.
So if I'm trying to kiss somebody, I'm on a level with them, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm looking at dimensions with me being badly coordinated. It might eat me. She's bisexual. Oh God. Oh God. That's it. Would it bother you doing about? Would it mind you having a bisexual girlfriend? Would you mind seeing other women? I don't like her. She's got attitude. She has attitude. That type of woman that I can tell. You won't want to listen to her. That way you like her. Selfish, aren't they? Selfish, aren't they? She's alright. But I mean, they're not attractive. They're not really attractive to me, these young ones. They're not, you know what I mean? Can you imagine me when I'm going to see a woman? What I'm like? What do you think to that thing I went to? I showed you a picture. How did I do it? How did I manage to do it? How do I do it? I sell myself what I can go with. I can go with, I must wait to go with anything, mustn't I? What's that?
No idea.
She's nice. Put me some middle age with me on, I want to see something else.
Oh no.
I like me milfs. I like me milfs. I like me milfs. Hey, what do you think of that Polish bird I showed you? That 26-year-old down south. What else, lesbian? He's like, ooh.